everyone, it's Misty here for Stamp Anything. Welcome to release preview day number 3. We made it, yay! This release has been so much fun to share with you, and make sure you come back for the next 3 Fridays as we do Fanny Friday. So today's GB character is Fern. Thank you very much. So this has been such a fun fairy themed release. Absolutely love it. So this is Fern, and her sentiment is thank you very much. And as I mentioned in the other videos, she is in the new packaging, and it looks like she has some freckles that are actually a part of the stamp. That's so fun. I love that little detail. So this is Fern, and this is her outline die. So much fun. So to recap, if you would be interested in this month's release, any or all at a discount, be sure to check out Stamp Club. So we have the foliage lace stencil. We have the Best Buds word builder die. We have the flower and leaves builder die. We have Juniper, You're the Very Best. We have Leaf, You're My Favorite Sweet Pea. And we have Fern, Thank You Very Much. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can come back here next Friday to join me for another episode of Fanny Friday, where I'll be using some or all or parts of this month's release to create a project with you. Don't forget that these are all available, and you will find a link to this month's release in the description box down below, along with that link for Stamp Club if you're interested in joining. Don't forget to check out our other social media. We have a Facebook group, we have a Facebook page, we have Instagram. We're working on doing more YouTube shorts, so make sure you check all of those out for us. We really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments down below which stamp set is your favorite, who's your favorite new friend. And yeah, so that's it for me, friends. I will see you next Friday for another video. Bye for now.